Yep. Steak, eggs, melted cheese, red hot. Not a sponsor. Dr. Pepper, not a sponsor. The good old hot sauce. Yep. And in case you're wondering, these steaks aren't all the way done. That's how I like them. Nice.
This is what we're going through now. Ice on the roads for the next 25 miles up on top of a very, very tall mountain in Wyoming with Grand Teton National Park and Yellowstone National Park in this area. Bears, elkhorn, deer, bison, bald eagles, and I'm sure there's probably wolves too. There's bears. Anything you want to say, babe?
It's slick, for sure. Yeah, it's slick. My tires are 3-peak mountain snow rated, and I can feel the difference in grip when I am turning. So I'm just taking it slow, about 35, 40.
Ooh, and here comes a big bridge too.
Going down the hill. And most of the time the bridges are icy.
The
Really
whole
icy.
road is icy.
Yeah, the bridges are really icy. For whatever reason.
Look at how the snow sparkles.
That's not snow, that's ice.
Right there on the mountain top.
Yeah, that's ice.
Well. Yeah, pure ice. I think they would do something like put something up here for it.
I mean, they do have snow trucks out, shoveling. But I think it just makes it worse.
Yeah.
Get people parked up here on the side of the road. For whatever reason. Chevy Tahoe, Toyota Tundra. I'll take the Tahoe all day long.
Alright.
Oh yeah.
Bye, guys.
Alright guys, after a 4,000-mile road trip from Iowa City to Monument Valley, Arizona, Utah, been driving around in New Mexico, Wyoming, Idaho, enjoying the beautiful sights. It's time to come home and service the van. Change the plugs, change the training fluid, change the oil. Get the van aligned, balance the tires, things like that. Then get it prepared for our next road trip here in about 2 weeks. Put in the AC compressor that my friend Kai Mojave gave us. Beautiful sunrise coming from Wyoming right now on the way to Iowa City. The van's still running great, as it should, because everything on it is new besides the steering gearbox, which I'm going to change on my way when I get back to Iowa City. Summertime's coming, guys. Let's get those vans together and do some things. And do me a favor. If you see this video, I'm trying to grow my subscribers. I'd like for you guys to like, comment, and subscribe. And then hit that notification bell. If you love to see beautiful sights, if you love to see, van modifications and things like that, doesn't matter if it's an Astro, a Ford Econoline, a Sprinter van. I'm a van man. I'm a truck man too. But I also like to overland and explore nature and do things, kind of out of the ordinary. Now, I am new to off-roading. However, I do overland and van life for about almost close to 4 years now. I love the Astro van because it's for, it's all-wheel drive, and it's got the locker in the back, the front limited slip, and it can go just about anywhere. Now that I have the lift, and the engine lift, I don't have to worry about, I don't have to worry as much about smashing the oil pan. Our friend American Dinosaurs is supposed to be making some skid plates and other things for the Astros to make them more capable, more durable. And I look forward to my trip back out there in the summer. But until next time, this is the Wofford signing off. Until the next time, take care of yourself and each other. Here we are. And nice and beautiful. So when it got the strow lifted 3 inches, when it got a 3-inch engine lift, and I can tell you there's no vibration. I can tell you that it runs absolutely perfect, and I can tell you that Kai Mojave is a genius when it comes to auto mechanics, and he's very thorough. So guys, take a look at his channel. He's American Dinosaurs. He's on Facebook and YouTube. Beautiful out here. Just beautiful. As you can see, guys, this is Idaho/Wyoming. Take a couple of steps here in either state, but it's absolutely gorgeous landscape. Absolutely gorgeous. One side is snowy, the other side is less snowy. We were on a part of Idaho that or Wyoming, whichever, that had like desert rock. But it's a sight to see. Got beautiful trees. I mean, I was going to go the Las Vegas/California route, but this is okay. This is okay. We wanted to get out in nature, and we're out in nature for sure. It's beautiful. I have to say that. And I can honestly say that this is something that we'll remember for quite a long time. What'd you have to say, Shelley?
Oh, there was a campground right over there.
Yeah.
National Forest Campground.
All right, guys. Well, I just wanted you guys to get a peek of what I'm seeing here. I know the phone in this video doesn't do it justice whatsoever. Because when you smell the air, the fresh, cold air, I mean, it's a part of freedom too, guys. Any of you guys thinking about overlanding, van life, getting out there in nature especially, get out there and do it. Just do it. Get you a good, reliable vehicle. I prefer a van because I can pack more stuff. Or get your truck or whatever you prefer. Just get out there and do it. Make sure your vehicle is capable enough to go in places that you really, really want to go to. Alright guys, I'm going to sign off. I love you. People, we are at Yellowstone National Park, and it's been a journey, man. We've traveled maybe 60 hours in the Astro from Iowa, to Arizona, to Utah, to New Mexico, to Monument Valley, and now we are going back towards Idaho, Wyoming, then Nebraska, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. I mean, right here, where I'm about to walk to, stands not too high of a cliff, but it's high enough. I'll show it to you guys. We're in the middle of a hell of a windstorm. I heard something on the radio this morning about a possible tornado. We're in Wyoming. What is this, 80?
Yeah, 80. Well, we're actually in Nebraska now.
Oh, well, we're in Nebraska, Wyoming, Nebraska. On the way to Iowa City, and we're going south. We encountered some pretty strong winds. Stay tuned. Hey guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell. Peace.